Advanced assessments help instructors to better manage courses with large class sizes and multiple evaluators. In the Assignments tool, advanced assessments allow instructors to assign multiple evaluators to evaluate a single assignment submission when creating or editing assignments. Choose which evaluators can publish grades for the assignment from the Assignment tool by selecting them as publishers. Match evaluators to learners, and choose from two multi-evaluator workflows, one shared evaluation or multiple individual evaluations. In order to evaluate, you have to be assigned to one of the following roles if you are a Stony Brook user. You must be either an instructor, teaching assistant, or grader. For more information on Stony Brook roles in Brightspace, including how to change roles for those assigned to your course, please check out the link in the description. When creating or editing an assignment, you can assign evaluators by following these steps. Open the Evaluation and Feedback area, and then choose Select Evaluators. You will then see who has the ability to evaluate in your course, and you can choose which of them can evaluate on this assignment. Once you are finished, select Done. After you have chosen your evaluators, you have the ability to assign specific evaluators to students. To begin this process, select Manage Allocations. By default, every evaluator will have access to evaluate each learner's submissions. However, if you select the drop-down box, you can choose whether you would like to randomly allocate one or two evaluators to every learner evenly. Once you pick which option you would like, you can select Apply Allocation Method. You can also sort your learners by selecting the Sort Learners option. This will allow you to sort your learners alphabetically or reverse alphabetically by first or last name. In addition, you can select the Groups option to sort and filter your learners by each group that they are in. If you are not randomly assigning evaluators to learners, you can sort your learners and then choose the select boxes to manually indicate which evaluator will be assigned to them. When you are finished, select Done. After you select your evaluators, you can choose who will be able to publish the evaluations so that the students can see their score and feedback. In the Evaluation and Feedback section, you will see a drop-down to select Publishers. Your options to choose from are All Evaluators can publish evaluations, Evaluators can only publish their evaluation, or manually select publishers. Instructors may want to consider manually selecting publishers so that they can review the work of each evaluator. If you choose this, you will have an option to manually select the publisher who will review the work by selecting the Select Publishers option. A window will appear where you can select the publisher or publishers. Once you are finished, select Done. If you do not have publishing access as an evaluator, you will have two options when saving your evaluation of a student's work. Save Draft, which will allow you to save your evaluation and return to it at a later time, and Ready for Review. This will send the evaluation to the publisher for their final review. If there are multiple evaluators assigned to the same learner, you have one of two options to choose how the evaluation will be applied. Either one shared evaluation or multiple individual evaluations. If you choose one shared evaluation, then an evaluator will notice a list of those who also have the ability to evaluate the submission. Whenever you access the evaluation screen, you will notice feedback, annotations, or scores left by other evaluators. In addition, you can also edit any of this information left by others as well. If you choose multiple individual evaluations, then each evaluator will be able to provide their own assessment of a student's submission. Once the evaluator is finished, they can select either Save Draft, which will allow them to save their evaluation and return to it at a later time, or Ready to Aggregate. This will indicate that their evaluation is finished. In the Aggregated tab, the instructors can manually type their overall score based on the scores and feedback that each evaluator left. Once the grade and feedback is left here, the evaluators can either publish their feedback or save a draft of it. The aggregated score will be the final grade that the student receives on the assignment. They will not be able to view the individual feedback or scores each evaluator left. Once a student has been evaluated, you are unable to change any evaluator or publisher settings. Please ensure all settings are correct prior to making the assignment available to students. Thank you for watching. For more Brightspace related content, please subscribe to our channel.